These are the tools you will need to install the HSP Premium Hard Lid. These are the parts included with the hard lid. Please refer to the parts checklist inside the installation manual. Disconnect the brake light and remove the plastic cups and the hardware from the sports bar. Carefully unfasten the sports bar hardware. It is recommended not to use power tools for this step. Carefully trim plastic cups on sports bar level. Use sealant on both sides of the plastic cups. Place infill panel on the sports bar and reinstall the factory brackets with the screws provided. Measure the center of the tub, then measure out 320 mm from the center. Align the center hole with previously marked lines. Pre-drill mounting holes for hinges and fit with the screws provided. Attach the hinges to the brackets. Use sealant on the corners of the tub to prevent leaks. With the alcohol wipes provided, clean the surface, then place the demold and trim as shown. Measure 873 mm from inside the tub for the gas strut bracket location. Pre-drill bracket holes and fit with the screws provided. Attach the gas struts to the brackets. With the assistance of another person, carefully place the sports bar now attached infills onto the vehicle. Refit the factory hardware and plastic cups and remember to reattach the brake light. With the assistance of another person, carefully place and align the hard lid onto the vehicle. Loosely install all 8 bolts and washers to the underside of the hard lid. Double check the alignment of the hard lid before fastening all 8 bolts. Fasten all M8 bolts on the underside of the hard lid. Lift hard lid and attach gas struts as shown. Mark position in line with the rotary latch. Carefully trim the tub liner to fit the latch bracket. Pre-drill and fasten with the screws provided in the kit. Proceed to fit the support bracket. Attach the U-bolts to the bracket as shown. Check the underside of the hard lid for adjustments needed on the latches. Loosen the 2 screws on the latches and adjust accordingly. Loosen and adjust the cable for the latches. Close the hard lid and check alignment on the brackets. Once aligned, fasten the rotary latch. With the tailgate shut, close the hard lid to see if it latches easily on the U-bolts. Adjust the U-bolts accordingly to allow the hard lid to latch properly. Once latched properly, tighten the 13mm nuts on the U-bolts to secure the bracket firmly.